Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video on what fits inside my Louis Vuitton CANNES bag and my first impressions of this item. So I've actually had this for a few months now and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm in love with the reverse monogram and just the overall look of it. I prefer to wear this top handle rather than like crossbody, but I also do love wearing it as a shoulder bag. I think that it's such a cute little bag and it's such a statement piece. It's definitely one of those pieces that makes me feel really good carrying it. So if you're after, you know, a one-of-a-kind Louis Vuitton piece, then definitely have a look at this bag. But I actually wanted to do a video sharing with you guys how much this bag fits because it is deceivingly bigger than what it looks like. I know it looks really small, but it can fit so much, and I absolutely love that. I know that the hat box doesn't actually fit a lot. That one is very small compared to what it actually is, whereas this is quite a reasonable size. As I mentioned, I own the larger version of it and that fits a lot. It can fit like a full-size DSLR, but this sort of gives that bag a run for its money as well. So before we start, let me just say, if you're new here, welcome. My name is June. I work full-time as a doctor and I do YouTube videos in my spare time. I love handbags. It's a serious addiction of mine. So if you also love handbags, love luxury, fashion, that sort of stuff, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So I've got my bag here. Let's open it up. I've got a few things that you may carry in your day-to-day life, and I just thought I'd show you what actually fits inside. So as mentioned, it's just all black. There's no pockets, nothing inside. So it's actually a lot better if you put your stuff in like little packages so that's easier for you to actually find stuff. So obviously, wallet. I carry a small wallet and that's just how I get out of trouble when I'm swapping in and out of bags. I haven't had a full-size wallet in like donkey's years. This one is my Chanel card case holder. I bought this pre-loved or secondhand and it's been so good. I definitely would purchase another one if I find one for the right price, but this pink is like such a great pop of color, and yeah, I just absolutely love this. So this one goes in there really easily. If you are a planner girl, this will fit in this bag without a problem, and I tend to actually stack them upright so that you can see them a lot better. So as you can see there, you've got the planner and the card case in there. Now I bring along a vlogging camera, you know, just in the odd occasion that I get to vlog. This one is a DJI Pro Osmo Pocket, so it's like a it's a small gimbal. This one fits really easily on inside there also, as you can see. But if you don't carry this, because this is quite compact and you carry like a normal camera, this is the G7X, you can actually fit this easily inside also. So that is what everything looks like so far. If you carry sunglasses, this will fit in perfectly. So just doing that. Obviously you need your keys, so I will stack that on the side. It is getting quite heavy now, but as you can see, you can still fit quite a lot in there. As I mentioned, it's just easy if you stack everything upright, and you can also see it a lot better. And then I always carry around earphones or headphones. I am currently in love with my Niva headphones from Studio. This is what they look like. They're just wireless earphones, but they look really cute, and it comes in this really cute carrying case that you can just you can charge. So really easy. If you carry them in the case, they will actually charge while they're in the case. So you can just put that on top just like that. And then very least is my phone. I have the iPhone X or iPhone 10. I will just sleep that at the very back there. So that's totally full now. You can still put some things on top, some really small items, but that all fits in this bag. It is a little bit heavy, and anytime when it's super duper heavy, you may not want to carry it at the top handle, but I actually don't mind. I like using my bags as they are, but it is really convenient having the strap, and I definitely think that without the strap this would not be as functional as you know, it could be, because the bigger one that I have gets really heavy because it's so big. You can put so much stuff in there and you get really tired carrying it top handle after some time. So when I was able to put the strap on it, it just revolutionized the whole bag and I was completely sold on it. So having this strap here is so convenient, and then it also makes it easier when you're getting things in and out of this bag. So when you open it, obviously you only have the one opening, and sometimes it's really annoying having to open it. I tend to sort of carry it, hold it at the bottom and then sort of open it this way. Obviously it's not the most convenient thing, and it's one of those quirks that you sort of have to get your head around and get used to if you do want this bag. It's definitely not the most functional bag, but it's the cutest, so whatever. And yeah, obviously you can put more things in there if you'd like. So for example, if you're not much of a planner kind of gal, you can actually take it out and put like a pouch with like makeup in there, and you can just put it at the back. Really easy. Or you can even put like a mini pochette in here. This will fit really easy. I don't believe that you can put a full-size wallet. That's the only thing that it probably will not fit, just because it will not fit height wise, but I'm not 100% sure. I haven't actually tried it. It just fits so much, you guys, and it's just deceptively big compared to what it looks like. And like, I mean, hello, how cute is this? It goes with anything and everything, and I absolutely love it. But yeah, in terms of wear and tear, I've not had many issues with it. You probably will find that the back will scratch over time depending on how you use it, but so far I've had no issues with it. Now on the bottom, I did decide to go ahead and put sticky tape on there, just because when I got my first bag I got really paranoid about the bottom brass feet getting really scratched. So I actually just taped a bit of tape on there just for extra protection, because you know I'm going to be putting this on surfaces, and you know it will eventually get scratched up. So that was my way of trying to minimize that, I guess. But yeah, that is everything about this bag. If you want to know like where the date code is, actually under here. I didn't realize that until I watched Em's video, so you can go and check out her video if you want to see another video about this Louis Vuitton CANNES bag. But gorgeous, I love it, and I'm so happy to have it. No regrets. And would I recommend it? Absolutely, but only if you love the design and the style. It is very expensive. It's probably not the most functional bag, so it's not like something I would recommend as a first time buyer of Louis Vuitton. I definitely would say pick like the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 or the Never Fall if it's your first one. But if you want something unique and statement, this is such a gorgeous little bag. So that is it, you guys. That is my what's in my bag / first impressions. If you want to see how I style that bag, I always have like pictures on my Instagram. But that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was nice and quick. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If there's any other bags you sort of want me to review or do a what's in my bag or comparison video, do let me know. I would love to do that for you. I could talk about handbags forever, as you guys can tell. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.